I just recorded that story time video, and like always, I'm realizing a bunch of stuff I forgot to say. That's whatever. I do that every time, though. Not every time, but more than I'd like to. I like record videos, and before I leave, I'll have stuff in mind that I want to say, right? And then I'll record the whole video, and then either when I'm editing it or like right after I record, when I get home, whatever, I'm like, oh, yeah, I forgot to say this. Like, happens most of the time, and it sucks. But sometimes I'll try to just add like a little text in that says what I forgot to. What I'm referring to there is I took the exact same route as I did last videos, but that's so that I could use the 2 lanes to kind of demonstrate what I was talking about and paint a better picture, and also focus more on like telling the story. So I just chose an easy road to be on. Now we're really getting into the fall weather. It's only 70 today, which is still pretty warm, but that's why I have long sleeves on, because it's not like so warm that I can't wear them. But it's, as you can see, it's pretty cloudy, dark today, and unfortunately, it's supposed to rain all week. So I'm not sure how much riding I'm going to be able to get in, which is a bummer. But I'll try my best. But it's supposed to be cooler than it has been all week, so that'll be kind of nice, but the rain part sucks. How dark is this right now? It's not that bad. I was trying to check if I had to take my lens filter off again. Like, this guy should be out of the left lane, but he's not. He's just holding everybody up. Oh, it's a nice Maserati. That's a nice Audi. There we go again with the left laners. Really not that hard, people. Like, unless you were going significantly faster than the rest of the traffic in the right lane, just move over. After you pass people, move over. You think I'm gonna get rained on? I don't know. I might. I hope not. Again. Oh boy. Go. Everyone else has the problem where they can't fit. Sucks to suck. I forgot they're doing the 1 lane thing here. Kind of makes me want to go around. Do I go around them and turn up there? I don't really feel like it. I guess I'll just wait for the 1 lane. Wait, they're Huh? They're gone already? They didn't even do anything, dude. What? So they still have the signs up, but they're not even here anymore. And it looks like they didn't do anything. I mean, I guess that doesn't really surprise me. Welcome to PA. Maybe they're on lunch or something. I don't understand. I think I did so much talking in the last video I recorded because it was the story time that I ran out for this video. I hit my daily limit. I'm just back to my quiet self. So I apologize about that, but I don't really have anything else to say. I'm seeing a lot of Porsches out today. That's like at least the fifth one. Most of them have been the SUV style. I think I'm gonna wrap this one up here. Just because I don't know what else to say really. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, sorry I didn't really know. Didn't have a whole lot left to say. I do like that Camaro. But yeah, I kind of talked myself out in the last video. So, hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you next time I go. Like I said earlier though, it's supposed to rain all week as of right now, so I'm not sure when that will be. Hopefully soon, but it doesn't look likely. I mean, today didn't even look likely, if you can tell. But I went for it while I could. So again, thank you for watching, and hope you have a good rest of your day. Later.